Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you a simple and safe way to access Canva Pro features without spending money. Many people think Canva Pro is only available through a paid subscription, but there are a few official methods that Canva itself offers which give you access for free. First, you need to go to the Canva website and make sure you are signed into your account. If you do not have one, create a free account using your email or Google account. Once logged in, scroll to the bottom of the Canva homepage and look Ask Canva button and write Education and Nonprofits. Canva offers Canva Pro for free to teacher students and registered nonprofit organizations. If you are a student, you can apply using your school email address through Canva for Education. It gives you all the Pro features at no cost as long as you remain eligible. Another option is to check if Canva offers a free trial in your country. Click on the Try Canva Pro button and start your 30-day free trial. During this trial, you can use every premium feature, including premium templates, stock photos, background remover, and brand kit tools. Just make sure to cancel before the trial ends if you do not want to be charged.